Your son? From where? My king, this is madness. Anyone can walk in and claim royalty. Yes, we don't even know this boy.
Tonight, when everyone is asleep, we will take everything from the chief's house.
I'm sure no one will suspect us.
Today, we are going to talk about an app that works like Grok AI. I mean, creating images, animating your videos, and even making your videos to talk. So if you're like me, you might be thinking, is there any other app that can do all those things for free? Yes, we have a lot of apps that can do all those things for free. And on this platform, I'm going to be sharing it with you one by one. So stick around so you don't miss an amazing update. In this video, I will show you how to use this app step by step. So you don't have to spend any money. Okay, let's get into it. Go to your browser and type Google AI Whisk. If you are using your phone, go to your App Store or Play Store and search for Google AI Whisk. That's not where we are going, so don't be rushed to cut the videos. Search for Google AI Whisk. So I'm going to tap on this one at the top. The one at the top, I'm going to tap on it, and then once you tap on it, you're going to see enter to. So just click on that enter to, then it will bring you to this surface. And don't forget to log in with your Google. Right at the top, you see where they write try flow. Click on that place, okay? Click on get started and you are going to arrive on this space. Click on new project. Go ahead and copy your prompt. So I'm just going to use this prompt right here. I'm just going to copy this prompt that I prepared for this tutorial. So I will copy it and paste into this black box. Okay, copy and paste right here. Paste. Click on this nano banana, then you are going to see your aspect ratio 16:9. If you are doing TikTok, you use 9:16, then times 1 or 2 depending on the amount of images you want the app to generate at once, so you can choose from it. So mine, I will use times 2. So and tap on image. I'm going to click on next. So our video is now generating. Our image is now generating. Wait for your image to generate and we can now choose from the images. So let's wait a little bit. If you are finding this video interesting, please kindly use this medium to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so whenever I drop any update about apps, you can get notification, and then like, comment to support the video to perform well. Thank you. Now our image is ready. See that photo. See that photo, check it very well. It looks so real. Can you see it? Very nice. So I will choose this one because it works well with my prompt. So I'm going to use this one. If you want to generate another one, click that arrow and your prompt will arrive in the box. So you can click next to generate another set of images. So just to confirm, just to see, maybe we will get another video that is better than the first set. So far I don't like what it gave me, so I will use this first one. I think this one will work better for the scene. I think this one will work better for the scene I'm trying to create. So I will choose this one and then click on these 3 dots to download 2K. Okay, click on it. Then if I want to animate this image to move and to talk, I'm going to click on this three dots arrow that says more. Then I will click on animate. Once you click on animate, please pay attention to this place because you don't want to waste any credit. Check this place that said videos times 2. Then click on it and change it to times 1, because when you click on that, you are wasting credit. It will generate 2 videos for you and we only want 1, and it will generate same thing. So you don't want to waste any credit. Then I will go back and give my prompt. You see now that times 2 have changed to times 1. So please pay attention so you don't waste any credit. Right here, I will give a prompt and I'm going to click on next. So we are using this arrow to click on next. Bagam. So I'm going to wait for these videos to generate, and we are going to see what this app give us. So after some seconds, the video will be ready.
Tonight, when everyone is asleep, we will take everything from the chief's house.
I'm sure no one will suspect us.
And that is how to use this app. If you have an image you want to use that you generate outside this page, click on this plus sign, click on it and click on upload image. So it will give you access to your gallery and you can pick any image, whatever image you want to use, and open. Then you have your image right here. So this is the image. You can just go ahead and animate the image and give the prompt to animate the image just like that. I hope you find this video helpful. If so, give me a thumbs up and subscribe so we can reach more audience, and then turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching our videos and I will see you in the next one.